production, we are going to be making dishwash. So for this dishwash, we need some chemicals which I'll be listing now. We need our SLS. Let me show you our SLS. It looks like green, so this is the SLS. But my SLS I've already soaked. I soaked the needed quantity inside the water, and I allowed it to sit for more than an hour, up to like 1 hour 30 minutes. So now I've soaked it and it's well dissolved. And I've soaked my caustic soda also. I soaked my caustic soda inside water. I used this teaspoon to measure. It's just a very little, half of like 1/4 of this teaspoon. That was what I used for 2 liters production of dishwash. Now we'll also be making use of our sulfonic acid, our hexapon, our glycerin. These are glycerin. So now let's get started with the production. As I said earlier on, I've soaked the SLS inside water for like 1 hour 30 minutes, and I've soaked the caustic soda also for 1 hour 30 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding sulfonic to our caustic soda. This is the sulfonic that I have here. I'm going to be adding it to the caustic soda, and I'm going to be mixing, stirring it gently as I add. So watch out. This is my sulfonic. And I'm adding it into the caustic soda. So you continue mixing for the next 10 to 15 minutes. You can see it's getting thick. That you can see from here. If you can see it. So it's getting thick. Continue mixing the sulfonic and the caustic soda together. Please don't rush the production. You can see the consistency now. So this should be the result of your mixing. Result of your mixture after mixing. And continue mixing. Continue mixing it. Can you see? So I've mixed it for 15 minutes now. So the next thing to do, I'm going to set this aside. Then I'm going to take the SLS that I've soaked, and I'm going to add the hexapon inside. Mind you, have already measured my hexapon. I've measured everything. So this is like 140 grams for 2 liters of dishwash. So as you mix, you start seeing the reaction. I'm trying to squeeze out the hexapon out of the nylon. You can feel it now. Continue mixing. So we've mixed for 15 minutes now. This is 140 grams of salt, and I'm going to be pouring little by little into my mixture. It's already thick. It's very thick now. So the next thing we'll be pouring the caustic soda that I mixed with diysoap. We're pouring it into it little by little. Mix it now for like 10 minutes. Can you see? Be adding our glycerin. We just need like 15 mils of this glycerin. Making use of syringe because it's a very little quantity, so I want to have many measurements. So glycerin is a moisturizer. So this is our dishwash. As I said, glycerin is a good moisturizer. I'm still adding it. Still adding our glycerin. I said for this production we need 15 mils glycerin to give it a supple effect on the skin. So we've come to the end of the production today. So just like I normally say, that if you want to add your fragrance, now for my dishwash I want to add this is lemongrass. So I'm adding lemongrass to my production. I've told you earlier that if you want to add your fragrance, you don't add directly. Take little, you scoop little out. Just want to mix it with a very little quantity of soap before pouring it back into the main production. And you see, the lemongrass still has a kind of effect to losing the consistency. Start seeing might be a little bit watery. Can you see? It's more thick. So that's why I don't add it directly. So I don't have, at the end of the day, I don't have a watery soap. So I've added the color. I've added the fragrance now. I've mixed it well. So I'll be turning it back into my soap gradually. So for me, color is not really my thing, especially if I'm going to use it up here. So I just use it directly like this. But in other cases also I had color to it. So we've come to the end of this production. You can also add your color. You can add different color. You can add green. You can divide it into like 3 parts. Add green to one, blue to one, orange to one, or lemon, anyone. It's your choice. So do it as you want or as you wish. So we've come to the end of this production now. Thank you and God bless you. Have a great day. So you allow it to sit. Allow it to sit for up to like 6 hours, or you do it overnight for it to completely come down. So by the time everything, the foam clears away, so you can now package it as your packaging materials. Thank you. Let me just show you. This is a leftover of the soap I made before now. So this is it. Can you see the packaging? So this is how I package my dishwash. And this is my hand wash. This is how I package it. Can you see? Yeah. So you can also give your own any color you want, any fragrance. It's your choice.